Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Heavenly Cuisine, where recipes have no bounds. In today's episode, we're making mutton murtabak inspired mutton pockets. Mutton murtabak is a savory stuffed flatbread pancake filled with seasoned minced mutton, eggs, onions, and vegetables. It's a popular street food across Southeast Asia, especially in Singapore and Malaysia and the Arabian Peninsula. Today we're giving it our own twist, not the authentic version, but one made our way with our favorite blend of spices and flavors. Think of it as a cozy home-style murtabak. The ingredients for the dough are 3 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon milk powder, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon salt, spring roll pastry. This is optional. For the stuffing, you will need 400 gram boneless mutton, 1 large onion finely chopped, 150 gram cabbage shredded, 2 carrots grated, 1 tomato chopped, 100 gram spring onions chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, a few curry leaves finely chopped as well, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, quarter teaspoon cardamom powder, quarter teaspoon dry mango powder, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half a teaspoon vinegar, and 1 egg. The ingredients will be listed down in the description below. Start by taking the flour in a bowl, add the milk powder, salt, sugar, and give it a good mix. Next, add the oil and mix again. Gradually pour in the water and knead until the dough turns nice and smooth. Divide into 5 equal portions as shown. Coat each ball lightly with oil. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes until soft and elastic. In the meantime, let's start preparing the mutton filling. In a hot pan, pour in the oil and let it heat up. Add the curry leaves and chopped onion and saute until the onion softens and turns slightly golden. Now add the ginger garlic paste and cook until that raw smell disappears. Toss in the chopped tomato and green chilies, sprinkle a little salt and give it a mix. Add the masala powders that we listed earlier, give it a good mix. Then add the chili powder and coriander powder and give it another mix. Cover and cook for a few minutes until the raw smell of the spices is gone. Add the finely sliced mutton and mix well so that the spices coat every piece. Pour in the vinegar, it helps tenderize the meat, and stir again. Cover and cook on low flame for about 15 to 30 minutes. No need to add any water, the mutton will release its own juices. Once the mutton is cooked, add the cabbage, give it a good mix, then add carrots and spring onions. Cook everything together for around 2 to 3 minutes, just until the vegetables soften a little but still keep their crunch. Now we can move on to assembling the mutton pockets. Lightly oil your surface and roll one dough ball into a thin sheet. This step is optional, but you can place a spring roll pastry in the center. It gives the pocket a bit of structure. Add as much stuffing as your heart desires, just not so much that it bursts open. Fold in the sides to close the pocket neatly. Heat a pan with a bit of oil and place the pocket on it. Cook for about 3 minutes on each side until golden and crisp. For a variation, take some filling and mix in one whole egg and place this in the center of the sheet. This gives the inside a soft, fluffy texture, and cook it the same way. And that's it. Our mutton murtabak pockets are ready, golden, crispy, and filled with flavor. We have paired them with a cup of hot ginger tea, perfect for a cozy evening snack. Let's cut into it. Here's the one without the egg. And this one with the egg filling. And finally, the one without the pastry sheet. Try it out yourself and let us know your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes made our way.